Beetle fam. So we're gonna do a live today talking about the markets, altcoins have been pumping, dumping, volume, trade setups. I'm gonna talk a little bit about what's going on in the world. To be honest, I'm a bit sick, guys. I'm really sick. So let's do the important stuff, and from there on we're gonna close it down. So push the like, please, and well, let the music run. Share the video as much as you can. I'll be back in a moment. Thank you. So, sorry guys, I'm gonna skip the name thing and who's in the chat, who's not. I'm just too sick. I'm just too sick for it now. So, welcome everyone. I'm happy that you guys are here with me. So, some important stuff to talk about, because I have to keep you guys safe. I have to keep you guys focused. I have to keep you guys ready to what's gonna happen next. So let's dive in right away. So first of all, we got this Nvidia ramp up. Well, it shouldn't be any surprise to anyone. Wall Street is just you know, they like to go against the stream, and that's just what it is. So they are just Nvidia ramping it up out of nothing. A lot of retailers also buying in on Nvidia, and I think that this is this will make it even bigger for the ones that are gonna show the crap out of it. So this is, in my opinion, the dead cat bounce. This is the dead cat bounce of Nvidia, what you're seeing over here. So if I would put on the indicator, you would see that on the daily we're even breaking above it, because this is what you're seeing over here is something that I also try to explain you in and teach you in crypto. It's all about leverage. Everything is about leverage. It's not about facts. It's not about fundamentals. It's you know, eventually it is. But in the meanwhile, you know, before the charts need to get their place where they should be, first the leverage thing has to happen. And the leverage thing is that the price first, suppose that something needs to come down, what happens is that the price first makes a spike up and then dumps down very hard. So on that spike up that you're seeing, that's just leverage. That's just news traders, and you know, they wreck them and then they dump it down. It always happens because we have this deep seek dump over here and then dump down. Oh my God, Nvidia is going to zero and then up. And then, you know, this bounce up, by the way, guys, this is really a big bounce. And I think, honestly, this is a 20% bounce. I honestly think that Nvidia itself is also buying this stock up, holding the price so people will stay in and don't dump their bags. So, first of all, if some investor would be talking to me, listen, MW, I've got a very, very big bag of Nvidia, and what should I do? I would tell him just dump the crap out of it. That's what I would tell him. Sell, because you have to see it like this, guys. Because this is something they're not telling you. Look, this is a 3-month. This is a 3-month chart. Are you seeing this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this is 2 years, 2.5 years. 2.5 year of FOMO. So it doesn't even matter if the rumors are real. It doesn't even matter if Nvidia is, you know, playing with the numbers. It doesn't even matter that DeepSeek and Quen or whatever, they can do the same for much cheaper. It doesn't even matter that China is not focusing if China is going to use UA chips instead of Nvidia chips. It doesn't even matter that Trump is hiring up tariffs against China. It doesn't even matter that America at some point says, you know what, don't sell them any chips anymore. All this crap doesn't even matter. Forget about all of this. What I just told you, just forget about everything I just said. If you watch this chart, that's all I have to say. So forget about all of that. Forget about all what I said. Just forget about that. Just look at the chart. So if anyone would ask me, MW, okay, fine, I bought it over here, I bought it over here, I bought it over here, whatever, it doesn't matter where you bought. You know, I'm a trader. That's what I do. For sure, this thing could make another 20%, 30%, 40%. It will dump hard. So we have to be prepared for that. And why, MW, are you showing us this Nvidia chart? We don't give a crap. We're over here for Swarms, and we're here for Popcat, we're here for Fartcoin, and we're here for any other new AI project or whatever. So that's why we are here. MW, why are you showing us this Nvidia chart? Yeah, listen, bro, this Nvidia chart is when you know, you have to see it like this. You know, when you're totally wrecked and your portfolio is bleeding like 70, 80, 90%? Yes, it's me that when I save your ass, is me watching all these charts to warn you on time. Look out, it's gonna happen. You know. So for now, let's head back because I want, you know. Okay, we've got over here. First of all, we got this level over here. This level over here, the 137, and the 141. You know, I would be super surprised if they would rump this even high. But you know, we got this week, we got a lot of events going on. So if the events may push it, you know, it's like this: when someone is pushing, and then there comes a very strong wind. When the strong wind comes, it could push even higher. But it's just temporary. Let me just say, it's the higher this thing goes, the more the bears will cheer it up. They will be cheering up Nvidia. Come up, more, push, please go even higher, Nvidia. Come on. You know why? Because they're gonna throw in money. They're gonna make money. They're gonna throw in a lot of money, and they're gonna make a lot of money, and they're gonna wreck a lot of retailers. Okay, I've said it, so my alarms are set over here, so I'm just eyeing this. And this thing is, by the way, also what's pushing. So let me go to the US500. This thing is pushing the US500 as we speak. So this is now, by the way, guys, oh, I got some DMs. Oh, MW, you tweeted in the morning that we got this Monday pump. Yes, this is the Monday pump. It's you know, especially when you got Powell, and I've said that now for the last 2.5 years. For the 2.5 years, I'm saying this over and over and over again. Powell is in play, Wall Street starts pumping. Powell, whatever Powell is doing, Wall Street starts pumping. It's just like Tom and Jerry. So if if Powell is Tom, Wall Street is Jerry. So the moment Powell comes in place, Jerry starts running around and being active as crazy. That's what you're seeing over here. So now we're just seeing this Monday pump. We're still here below the resistance, so this could get rejected anytime soon. So that's about that. By the way, I was always also eyeing Japan, because Japan also did its thing, and you know, this is a pretty nice ramp up, guys. Look at this. This is just boom boom 5%. Why not? So I was also eyeing gold making new highs again and again. This is, you know, I really, I get daily DMs from people in crypto, and I'm talking about really wealthy people that took this trade with me. You know, they keep sending me daily basis. They keep sending me. No need to send me any DMs, please. Stop it. Congrats. I'm really happy for you guys. But, you know, look at this. Oh my God. Cool, guys. This is mind-blowing, guys. This is really crazy. And then you got this DXY. Look at the DXY. DXY, by the way, keep in mind that we're holding the India over here. So we're just retesting now. So we had this rejection over here. So now this is gonna be very important. So, but you know, I know with these events going on today, this events this week, I mean, so it's gonna be very volatile. There's gonna be a lot of ups and downs. Also, I was eyeing the VIX. They're crashing this VIX again and again, getting rejected from the India over here, pushing it down. You know, it's just that game. You know, it's that game of Powell. Powell comes in play. Okay, so let's push the VIX down. You know, I know a lot of you guys probably, you know, I know some real big groups of Wall Street traders. And these guys are just organized and they just do the same together. And what they do is they just short the VIX. The moment some inflation numbers come out, CPIs, Powell, FOMC, doesn't matter, they start shorting the VIX. You know, you know, when you go into their offices, I've been once in one of those offices. When you go in, there is a big board, short the VIX. That's, you know, that's their code, short the VIX, just short the VIX. And these guys have been doing this for decades, guys. You know, short the VIX. Any bounce up, short the VIX, just short the VIX. That's their thing. They live, this is their life. They live for this. Short the VIX. Short the VIX. Every time when you see the VIX making a ramp up, they start shorting the VIX like crazy. And guys, these guys make really, you cannot imagine how much money these guys make. It's really, they do it organized, they do it together, just short VIX. They will get probably wrecked sometime. But, you know, I think they're smart enough to not get wrecked, to lose what they made. So yeah, so it's short of VIX. Okay, enough about this, guys. I want to take you guys with me to Bitcoin. So let me go to Bitcoin. Oh my God, this Bitcoin chart is a mess. It's a mess. So for the ones that are feeling bullish or feeling like, oh my God, we're going to the moon, or whatever out there, I really don't know what you guys are thinking or what is playing in your mind, because you know, retailers are very weak. And they are very sensitive. Because retailers, the problem with retailers is they're either bullish or they're bearish. That's how they are. And they think that charts go up in one line up or they go in one line down. That's how retailers think in their minds. And that's also how they get wrecked over and over again. Because they're either bullish or they're bearish. So if they're in a bearish sentiment, they stay bearish for, you know, until they get wrecked. So they remain bearish until they're totally destroyed. Or they are bullish. And when they are bullish, what they do is they don't, you know, I'm bullish, so we're going to the moon. Charts go down. No. I'm bullish. And you might recognize yourself in what I just explained. You might recognize yourself. And this is, if you're a trader, this is a very, very bad style that you get, because this is exactly how you get wrecked as a trader. As a trader, you have to be not bearish and also not bullish. On the macro, you can be bearish or bullish, no problem. But as a trader, especially as a day trader, you cannot. You have to act on what the markets are giving you. So when Wall Street gangs are shorting the VIX and US 500 is pushing, you can expect Bitcoin also to push. So that's the push that we've seen. And also the news came out today that our big buddy, what was it, 3 February? Yeah, over here. Our big buddy, let me use another chart so you guys are clear. So our big buddy, our big buddy, Michael Saylor has been buying over here again. So this spike up that you're seeing is caused by Mr. Saylor himself. So Mr. Saylor is trying to protect his biggest investment, Mr. Bitcoin, our biggest, second biggest. Microstrategy is his first one, but you know, he's trying to do whatever it is that this guy does in his life. And I also saw some news about BlackRock want to buy MicroStrategy. It's, the most crazy things you can imagine are just happening now. So, it's really mind blowing. Also some news, by the way, I was, it was very interesting here reading this news about this quantum tech. This quantum, by the way, guys, you have to keep in mind that quantum is quantum for the really the tech people over here. Quantum is something I'm eyeing and I'm following a lot. Quantum could be huge, guys, and they're now saying that there could be that quantum would be able to track down all the lost Bitcoin on the blockchains, and and they can get it back into the markets. Well, what to say? That's even they said that even quantum is able to find the Bitcoin lost on the blockchain from Mr. Satoshi himself. I don't know. It's just news. I don't give a crap about what news tells me. I'm just sharing with you what I've been reading. So let's see how that's gonna work out. But for now, let's just say, guys. So Mr. Alpiman, you are educated, bro. You just need to find yourself a shrink. You need to find yourself some mental help. That's the only thing that you need. The skills, you own the skills. The knowledge, you have the knowledge. You have a problem with your emotions. So the problem with your emotion is causing you to not make money or maybe even lose money. So it's not skills. It's the 50% of skills, you own them. You need the emotional part. Alpiman is also always waiting. Oh my God, it reached the resistance over here. Maybe it could go even a little bit high. So I'm gonna wait here. And then if it goes here, you know what? Let me put it over here. Let me wait over here. And then the price comes down, then boom, down. Oh yeah. I freaked it up again. I just freaked it up again. Oh my God. This is Alpiman, by the way, for the ones that are interested in Alpiman. So guys, just keep in mind that we are just below this. There's nothing going on over here. This is just a dead cat bounce. We're just dancing around over here. So nothing to be excited about or whatever. We're just over here. Listen. You have to see it like this. Over here is when we are up. Over here is when we go down. It's just like we saw. This was a little bit of sideways, but as you guys can see over here, the ups, as you guys can see, the ups are up, and then over here, up, and then up, and then up, and then over here, down, down. Then we got this shake up. This was the sideways, and then up, and over here at some point you're gonna get something like this. Let me show you, because a lot of you guys, I'm done. You got something like this. Up, indicated down, up, indicated down, up, indicated down, up, indicated, and here you got the reversal. And I can show you even more. This is on the uptrend. Okay, up, indicator, up, and then over here you got the same. We got a lot of ups, by the way. Over here, up, hold. Let me show you more. I need to show you guys more. By the way, guys, for the ones that want this indicator, you can get it for free. Only thing that you have to do is you have to be trading on Weex, Bitunix, or Blofin on a decent volume, average volume, just like most of the retailers are doing, or you have to be donating to charity. By the way, I'm getting some DMs about people that want to donate to child charity, and there were 2 of them. They're trying. Oh my God, you know. Sometimes I can get so, I can get angry, and I can, I just don't get it. 2 guys, they sent me some, they made with Word, or I don't know what program, or some AI bot. They used some to make some, to show me that they donated to whatever, and they didn't donate. Guys, please. I'm too busy to see it, but the team saw it and they told me, MW, wait a minute, don't, we know that some people are honest, but, that's also you get these cockroaches, So, we have our child charity that we have and we share. So if you want, you can donate it through the GTC, and GTC will put it in the project that we're running. So these people that are trying... This is so pathetic. Sorry to say. This is super pathetic. They're just making some, some SOS facture. We paid. Oh my God! Why would you do that, bro? Why are you doing this? So that's how to get the indicator. Also the leverage trading course. Wits. Okay. So for now, what is this? What happened? Oh my God, why is this looking like this? Okay. So, let me see. So guys, don't be excited. We got a volatile week. We got these events going on, so be prepared for that one, guys. We're gonna see what's gonna happen. So let me do the second part of my long ETF. So let me go to the second part of my long ETF. We're gonna finish that one down, and then we're gonna go through. So, oh my God, Altcoin. Oh my God, this thing. Oh my God. I said it today. Altcoin. For the ones that have just been following me or just new to this channel, I've been screaming now for weeks, guys. If you want to make money, Altcoin is the coin to be. There are even some people, they don't even trade Bitcoin or watch altcoins. The only thing they do is they trade Altcoin. It's a free ATM. I'm saying it for weeks now. I'm really saying it for weeks now. You guys, you cannot imagine the P&Ls that I'm getting on Altcoin. 2,000%, 50. There was one guy, he told me, listen, I was only seeing these 500, 400, 300 P&Ls on Twitter. And then, based on 20x, 25x, don't look at those crazy guys that go on a 100x, 200x, 1000x. That's, when you see that, that's a lot of crap. So just on a 20, 30x, he told me, listen, MW, the only P&Ls that I saw was 300, 200, 150, max 5. And then I found your account. And then I started seeing you sharing those trades. And then after it, I'm seeing P&Ls of 1,500, 2,000. He told me my best P&L never was above 100%. And he told me, then I started following you, getting educated, trading course, vids, etc., etc. And then he told me, oh my God, I just made 1,300% on a 25x. And he told me, listen, I still, he told me it's just a dream. So listen, this thing, look at this. Just look at this. Just look at this. This thing. By the way, let me explain you. Do we have the time? No, we don't have the time for this. We really don't have the time for this. So, Altcoin, congrats. So, I think, where did we stop yesterday? Did we stop at Altcoin Trump? No, we stopped at Trump. No, SPX. No, we stopped at SPX. So let me give you guys the second half of it. By the way, guys, full disclosure, I don't own any of these coins. I'm not interested in buying them now. I'm not interested in I don't know the teams. This channel is not monetized. I'm not paid by anyone. Nobody's giving me any money. I don't got any friends holding any of these coins. Full disclosure. this is just my objective view and my plan. And if it works out, it works out. If it doesn't work out, so be it. So I'm just giving you my truly honest opinion on coins that I'm willing to buy at lower levels. Not now. So not now. I could even give an order to the team to short one of these coins into our levels. So just don't. Just don't. So use the indie. Trade it also up, no problem, but respect the indie. When the indie gets invalidated, get out. Why? Because know that the syndicate will hunt you down. That's what I have to say. So the second one is Giga. So Giga, these are my levels, guys. So Giga, I want this to come down to the 22 to 19. This is the first small bag that I'll probably buy, and the next one will be around the 15 to the 10 cents. So this is my plan on Giga. So I want Giga back into the display. This will be my start DCA buying zone, and then I'll fill up my bag over here. So that's about Giga. Let me go to the next one. But next one isn't not a least. So it's Cody, guys. Cody. So Cody, what I'm eyeing, Cody has got something going on. These guys are always working on something. If it's not AI, it's this. If not this, it's that. They got also an event coming up, I think. Look at this bounce up, was also very strong in my opinion. So if this thing, if the alarm goes off over here, this is my start buying, by the way, guys. So everything below the 50. Everything below the 50 is a buy for me. I'll start buying, and the lower it goes, the more I buy. It's that simple. If we would check Cody against Bitcoin, it's also at super rec levels. So let me remove this one. So the next one, yes, it's on my list, guys. It's GLMI. Yes, I know. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. GLMI. Oh GLMI. Oh GLMI. Oh GLMI. It's still on my list, guys. You know why it's on my list? Because I think that I think that I can make an easy peasy 5x to 10x on this coin. It's just what it is. That's what I think. I think I can make an easy peasy 5x, because you have to see it like this, guys. The more wrecked they are, the faster your gains. Look at this. Let me give you. Suppose, because I'll be start buying over here below the 6, between the 6 and 3 cents. If this thing only goes back to the 70 cents over here that we hit and we took profits on in March 24, almost a year ago, for the ones that remember. Only this is almost a 12x. I'm just saying. So for me, GLMI, Polkadot needs to find some momentum for GLMI to really ramp up. But I'm still interested in this coin, and I put it on my long ETF because I think that the upside potential is pretty high on GLMI. So that's about GLMI, so be prepared for that one. I'll be buying it. And by the way, guys, this will not be one of my biggest bags. This will be just a small bag. A small bag, decent baggy, and then boom, boom. So let me go to the next one. Vanry. Yes, Vanry is so wrecked, guys. Vanry is so wrecked. It's a pretty promising project, and it's so wrecked. So Vanry is also on my top 20 ETF. Because we need to make an ETF that will give us the biggest profits. Yes, indeed. So this thing, everything on between, let me show you, from 23, 24 to 10, I'll be start buying Vanry. Yes, Vanry. I'll be buying myself some Vanry over here. I think that Vanry will make us a lot of money. So the next one is Fala. Fala is, you see this monster, this big, look at this dump, my God, this dump, it just came back. So for me, follow network, I'll just be waiting for it around below 10 cents to the 5 cents. So I'm just interested over here in this box over here, this boxy over here. So 10 to 5 cents to 6 cents, I'll be scooping myself some follow. And then we got this one, Rune. Oh my God, Rune. Okay, so you're gonna tell me, MW, why the crap would you buy Rune? Listen, I've seen a lot of projects going to zero, and I've also seen a lot of projects from going very low and then bouncing super strong. I've seen it happen on a lot. And you know, I'm no fundamental expert, so you guys need to do your own research on this one if the Rune Foundation or whatever is out there. But I will be putting Rune on my top 20 long ETF. And why am I gonna do that? It's basically because this thing could give me a 5x in a matter of 2-3 days. It's just what it is. So you know, I would be crazy if I wouldn't put Rune over here. So we shorted the crap out of it from here. You know, and why not? Why not? But not here, by the way. I'll be buying Rune. Let me show you what I'll be buying. I'll be interested in Rune around 85 cents to the 60 cents. So this is where I'll be interested in Rune, below the 85 cents. No 85 cents, okay, not buying it. That's simple. So next one, Fluxy. Oh my God, Flux is so super wrecked. You know, you see this, although this is my #1 fundamental coin, this is how I gave the call for the team to short the crap out of it. That's just MW. Yes, your #1 altcoin and you're shorting it at the same time. Yes, I am. You know why? Because I'm no believer, I'm a trader. That's what I do for a living. I don't give a crap. Okay, I might tell you, okay, this is the best coin, but it doesn't mean that I'm gonna tell you, okay, it's going to the moon. No. If the charts show me that this thing is dumping down, I will short the crap out of it and tell you, listen, this is shorty, shorty, shorty. So, but you know, my alarms need to go off. I want to buy some of this. I want to buy some of this and put it on the ETF. So it's very simple. Everything below the 30 cents is a buy for me. And a hodl, a hodl, 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 hodl. So everything below the 30 cents. So 30 to 20 to 25, 28, until over here 25. So in this range over here is where I'll be interested in Fluxy. And if Fluxy goes even lower, I don't care. I'm going to buy more. So that's about that. Another one, LRC. Why MW? Why would you put loopring on your long ETF? Why would you do that? Well, you know, I had to choose something because if ETH will do as I think that it will do at some point, the ETH narrative coins like Matic, now Poly, LRC, Quant, a lot of Bell, you got a lot of those coins. I think that some of those coins will find some momentum also, especially the ones that are super wrecked. Well, LRC loopring is one of my favorites. And why? Because loopring is pretty explosive. When it goes up very hard. Just like you're seeing over here. This rise up, this rise up, this rise up, this rise up, this rise up. So you have to see it. You got this rise up, and I'm hoping for this rise up again. So by the way, guys, do your research on the fundamentals. I'm just showing you the coins that I'm interested in based on tokenomics and TA. So this is 7 cents to what is it? 7 to whatever. Everything below 7, I'll start buying. It's that simple. Everything below it, I'll start buying. So that's about loopring. So let me go to the next one. Yes, yes, yes. There she is, Tia. Oh my God, Tia, are you really going to do Tia? By the way, guys, I think that I've got more than 20 coins, but you know, I'll manage it. So Tia. So for the ones that know me, for the ones that have been following me, you know, when I called out that influencer at, what was it, at 16 bucks or 18 bucks, when I called them out and was telling people to buy more Tia over here, and when I gave the call openly, okay, short the crap out of it over here, just for the ones that remember. I called him out on Twitter, by the way. You can all find it back in Twitter. Just go to my account, to Tia, and you'll see what I'm talking about now. So while I was yelling that you should short the crap out of it over here, I might buy some of it over here. So I'm eyeing Tia, and I think that Tia is bottoming out, and I think that Tia has got a nice bounce coming. So I'm interested in buying some Tia. When am I trying? I want to buy below the $2, between $2 and $1. So between 2 and 1. So it could be 150, 130, 120, DCA. I'm gonna DCA between 2 and $1. So that's TIA. Let me go to the next one, Atom. Atom. Oh my God, Atom, you're so wrecked, bro. What's happening to you, Atom? Look at this low. See it? Oh my God. So Atom, everything between the 3 and $1, just DCA buying in this gray box that you're seeing over here. Between the 3, it's a pretty big range, I know. Just DCA. These are just small bags. Buying the crap out of them. And then you got this Acces. Oh my God, look at Acces. Acces is really oh my God, Acces. We had this rise up with a Cosmos event, now 40 cents. So when am I interested in Acces? It's very simple, around the 20 cents. So 20 cents long ETF will get filled. Oh my God, this long ETF will get crazy. This long ETF will break here. Oh my God, this long ETF is gonna be. Will the long ETF be bigger than the short ETF? I don't know. I don't know if it's gonna be bigger. But I'm interested in buying this crap around. I'll be DCA buying, you know, from the 25 to the 20 cents, guys. So this is why I'm gonna buy myself some of those. And then we've got Anchor. Anchor, I'm a big fan of Anchor. So Anchor is also on the list. Oh my God, what are these coins? Anchor didn't dump that much, to be honest, but I'm liking this range over here, guys. You see this range? I'm really liking this range over here. We already hit this one, so this might dump down even more, but you know, I'm really interested in scooping myself some nice Anchor over here. So everything from the 15 cents to the 10 cent, I'll be buying some of Anchor. So that's Anchor. That's about it. So that was the list. It might get updated. I might update it, but this is the list for now. I'm not buying now, guys. Again and again and again. I'm not buying now. I'm waiting. I'm waiting for those red candles. I'm waiting for those red candles. So let me go back to Bitcoin. How's Bitcoin doing? So Bitcoin. Let me go use this one. Bitcoin, and put it on the daily. Okay, this is Bitcoin. So what is Bitcoin doing? Bitcoin is just chopping around over here with the markets. Markets are bouncing. Nvidia is bouncing, and this thing is just whatever. And I'm talking about Nvidia. How is Nvidia look? Oh my God, this Nvidia, guys. Oh my God. You know, a lot of people, they fade. Never fade MW, guys. You're gonna regret it. Never fade MW. A lot of people have been regretting it. Okay, guys. I'm gonna take myself a nice orange juice. I'm gonna take myself a nice warm shower. And let's hope I feel much better tomorrow. I love you all. Thanks for joining in. Trade well. Use the indicator. If you wanna join us, if you wanna get the indicator, you can DM me on X. The links of Blofin, Weex, and Bitunix are below. Bitunix is having a nice campaign for the retail fam, so you can get some extra bonuses, whatever it is out there. So have a nice one. Thanks all for watching and joining in. And push the like on your way out. And bye-bye. And thank you for the moderators. I haven't seen who's in here, but I know for sure that they are here. So moderators, shout out to you guys. Thank you very much for joining us today. And shout out to Salsara for the nice thumbnails that she's providing for the retail fam also. So shout out also, Salsa is also very sick just like I am, so I hope that she will get better also very soon. About the interview it's gonna take a while until we feel a little bit better. I'm gonna sort it out and let you know about the interview. So thank you very much. Thanks for watching. Have a nice one and bye-bye.